Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and in today's episode of Take 5 Yoga, it's all about the neck and the shoulders and the upper back. If you've got stiffness, if you hold tension there, boy, you've come to the right place. So come on, let's get started. Just coming into that comfortable posture, taking a breath here, and as you exhale, allow the chin to float down toward the chest. Small movement, we're just warming up the small bones and muscles of the neck. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower the chin, and do that a few times, just very gently up and down as though you were nodding yes. Nice steady breathing and coming back to center. Moving the head now from side to side. So inhale, and as you exhale, let your ear float down toward your shoulder. Feel the stretch in the opposite side of the neck. Small movements. Come back up to center, and as you exhale, leaning to the other side. And let's just take that back and forth a few times. Nice, easy movement, slowly. Not too much of a lean. We're just beginning to stretch. And coming back to center. Now adding in some rotation, so turning the head. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, turn to look over one shoulder. Just a little. As though you were looking behind you in the car. Come back to center and try that to the other side. And let's take that back and forth, side to side, twisting to one side and the other. Nice even breathing. Warming up all the little muscles in the neck. And come back to center. Let's try that again, but just a little bit deeper this time. So inhale, and as you exhale, allow your chin to float toward your chest. Stay here for a moment. Feel the stretch in the back of your neck. And I invite you now to make small circles with the tip of your nose. Your chin is still tucked down, but you're pretending that you have a crayon on the tip of your nose and you're drawing small circles in one direction. And let's switch and draw small circles in the other direction. And coming back up to center. Taking one hand, holding on to the side of the chair so that you feel stable and secure. Inhale, and as you exhale, allow your ear to float toward your shoulder. Feel the long stretch that you get not only through the neck, but through the shoulders, even down the arm, all the way to the hand. And if this feels okay, if you feel secure and there's no pain, take a breath here, and I invite you to lean into that stretch just a little bit more, allowing your ear to come close to the shoulder. And coming up to center, and now notice the difference between one side of the neck and the other. So holding on to the chair on the other side, inhale here, and as you exhale, allow your ear to float toward your shoulder. Feel that stretch in the side body all the way through the shoulder, all the way down into the hand. Take a breath, and if it feels comfortable, leaning in to that stretch. Feel all of the muscles and the little bones of the neck separating and opening and coming back to center. And now a twist. So taking a deep breath, turn to look over one shoulder, stay here. And while you are here, I invite you to nod your head up and down, just as though you were nodding yes. A few times. You might hear some crackles and pops in your neck. That's okay, as long as it doesn't hurt. And coming back to center, let's try that on the other side. Inhale here, and as you exhale, turn to look over your shoulder. Nodding up and down a few times. Nice, easy breathing. And coming back to center. And whenever we do one of our neck practices, I will always invite you to rub your hands together until they're warm. And in whatever way feels good to you, just rubbing your neck, maybe lengthening it just a little bit, showing some kindness to your neck. Hands back into your lap. And that's it. Take 5 yoga. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.